welcome to Shows for Kids. Today we're going to be opening some Kinder Surprise eggs. We've got Marvel, Frozen, a regular Kinder Surprise egg. We also have another Frozen and a pink one. And in the background, you can see them peeking out behind the eggs. We've got some PJ Masks characters. We've got Catboy, who's going to come say hello. Hello. His tail and some cool lightning looking zigzags on him. We've got Owlet, who's all red with some cool little things on the side here, and some wings obviously. Likes to fly around. We've got Gecko, with his little tail and his spikes. He looks like a little lizard. We've got Romeo with his lab coat and his gloves, his goggles. And then we've got Luna Girl with a cool mask and the cool boots. So we will start with the pink one. Let's open the pink one. What do you think's inside? I think we've got a little egg. That's what I think's inside. A little yellow egg. I was right! Oh, it won't come out. Pop? No, you're not gonna pop. Ooh. Oh, crikey. There you go. What's this? We've got a leaflet to show us that it's Barbie. All of these you can get inside these little pink eggs. And you get some little stickers, which look kind of cute and fun. Got a little mask and a star and a diamond and a heart. Then you've got Barbie. I'll put that together. There you go. Barbie's got a mask, and she's got brown hair and some purple going through. She's got a cool dress and some pretty big shoes. Oh, she's also got a cape. We're over here with Luna Girl, and then we'll go for the Frozen one. I wonder what we get inside the Frozen egg. Oh, I see someone. Who do you think it is? There's some blue. There's some legs, and there's a head. Oh. So this is what you can get inside the Frozen eggs. You got Olaf and Anna and Elsa, and then we got Anna. So, we've got a little cape here that you can put around her if you want. And then you've got the bottom half of the body. and the skirt, which goes, which is fiddly, goes over like that, and then we get the top part, and oh dear, the eggs fall in the background. And just got a dress on. Let's have a closer look. She spins around. It's like she's ice skating. Whee. Oh dear. And so then I'm going to put her with Romeo. Oh look, they look like they're doing the same thing. How fun is that? Now we've got a normal Kinder Surprise egg. Let's open you. Okay, we have got a little froggy. So, as it shows you on here, what you do is you put some water in this little bit here. Then you put the little froggy's brush here into the water, and then you can dip it into here, and then it's paint. And you can paint things with it and make nice little drawings and colourful things. So here's the little froggy. Look at that. Right. And then you put him in. He sits on the top. Oh, well, he should sit on the top. But he's a frog. He jumps out. He jumps out. Oh. Froggy. Okay, we'll put him over there. And we'll go for the next frozen egg. I wonder what we get in this one. I wonder if we'll get another honour. That one popped, didn't it? That one went everywhere. Oh dear. Oh no, chocolate everywhere. Pop. Ooh. Who do you think we've got? Do we have Elsa? Do we have this reindeer thing? Who do we have? We have this guy, whose name I can't remember, Christoph or something. Oh. So I can put him like that. Oh, come on. Oh, and his hands move. Oh. That'll be for his little axe. Which way does the axe go? So, he's got his axe. And then his arms move, so he goes chop, chop, chop. He's pickaxing the ice. Oh, how fun. Oh dear. I'll put him with her. of the day. We've got a marvel egg. Pop. Oh, and open at the bottom. Pop. Ooh, who's inside here? Did you know who it is? He's green. Oh, he looks a little bit scary. Now, who do we have? Who's on here that's green? We've got the Hulk. We've got Loki. We've got this guy over here, the Green Goblin, I think. And then, who's the last one? Lizard. We got this little guy. There he is. You just click, click, click. It's got a scary face, but I bet he's really nice. See, he's dancing. He can't be that bad, he's dancing. And let's put him down. Cat boy will keep him under control. Right, thank you for watching, guys. See you again next time. Bye.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. This old man, he played one, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came bone, this old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three, he played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four, he played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five, he played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six, he played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven, he played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight, he played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine, he played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten, he played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow, hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat, hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese, hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. knows the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But Mother will catch you, cradle and all. Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings. From the high rooftops down to the sea, no one's as dear as baby to me. Wee little fingers, eyes wide and bright, now sound asleep until morning light.